Starting around 13 January 2024, Nexo sort of is exchanging at $0.8899 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.41% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they thought. Nexo fundamentally has a kind of complete market cap of $498,364,024, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,474,367 in an unobtrusive manner. This basically makes Nexo lovely positioning at 115 in the cryptographic money market, or so they generally thought. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Nexo essentially be somewhat worth in 2024, or so they especially thought. Is Nexo a generally excellent speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024, or so they fundamentally thought? Will Nexo cost in a real sense outperform its unsurpassed high, which sort of is genuinely critical? These in a real sense are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which really is very huge. Nexo value expectation 2024, as per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Nexo value sort of is supposed to in every way that really matters, cross a truly normal value level of $1.29, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to explicitly be $1.26, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Nexo can generally arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $1.49, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value conjecture January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Nexo explicitly is supposed to by and large be at around at least $0.8537, which is genuinely huge. Nexo cost can explicitly arrive at a sort of limit of $0.9605, with the for the most part normal cost of $0.9338 in United States dollars, which certainly is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation February 2024. Nexo cost generally is supposed to basically reach between $0.9267 to $1.01 in February 2024. While the typical cost of Nexo for the February basically remains around $0.9711. Nexo value forecast walk 2024. The cost of Nexo in every practical sense, as for the most part anticipated to especially reach at the very least worth of $0.9744 and walk 2024. The Nexo cost could basically arrive at a greatest worth of $1.05, with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $1.01 all through 2024, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Nexo cost in a real sense is figured to especially arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0.9857, showing how Nexo generally has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $498,364,024, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,474,367 in a significant manner. The Nexo cost could for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $1.09, with the really normal expected cost around $1.03, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Nexo really is supposed to arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $1.01 in an exceptionally enormous manner. The Nexo cost could arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $1.14, with the truly normal cost around $1.05 in an especially significant manner. Nexo value expectation June 2024. The cost for Nexo in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.04 and $1.19, showing how explicitly is Nexo a very wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2024, which generally is very huge. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $1.07 in a fundamentally huge manner. Nexo value gauge July 2020. The Nexo value worth can explicitly arrive at a genuinely limit of $1.23, with the typical exchanging worth of $1.09 in United States dollars, or so they certainly thought. Nexo value gauge August 2024. The Nexo conjecture for August 2024 expects that the Nexo may generally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $1.28, with a by and large least cost of around $1.09 in a truly significant manner. Discussing the by and large normal value Nexo can in a real sense stretch around $1.13 for August, which generally shows that Nexo for the most part has a truly complete market cap of $498,364,024 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,474,367 in a significant manner. Nexo value estimate September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Nexo in a real sense is somewhat anticipated to especially arrive at a very normal cost of $1.16, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $1.33 and a really least of $1.12 in a genuinely large manner. Nexo value conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Nexo really is by and large anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $1.19, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $1.38 and an essentially least of $1.15, showing the way that the Nexo cost could truly arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $1.09, with the typical expected cost around $1.03. Nexo value figure November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Nexo basically is supposed to really be at around a very least of $1.20 in an every practical sense, huge way. Nexo cost can arrive at a sort of limit of $1.44, with the kind of typical cost of $1.24 in United States dollars, exhibiting that Nexo for the most part has an essentially all-out market cap of $498,364,024 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,474,367, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure December 2024. The Nexo gauge for December 2024 expects that the Nexo may truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.49, with a truly least cost of around $1.26, which in a real sense shows that Nexo value expectation June 2024. The cost for Nexo in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.04 and $1.19. Showing how in a real sense is Nexo a very wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the in every way that really matters, normal value Nexo can stretch around $1.29 for December in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo kind of past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto most certainly has been by and large diminished by 7.17% in its sort of current worth. In the event that we sort of look at the truly current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in a by and large significant manner. Nexo basically is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which by and large is very huge. The Nexo for the most part is down to nearly 1.73%